When will I stop coughing? If you are coughing for a period of time, it gets pretty annoying, especially if the cough is severe. If you have an acute cough, it should last less than 3 weeks. It's typically caused by the flu, bronchitis, cold, pneumonia, or some passing virus. Subacute cough lasts between 3 to 8 weeks, and it's typically a post-infectious cough, post-nasal drip, cough variant asthma, and so on. Any cough that lasts more than 8 weeks is chronic, and there can be a lot of causes, including chronic reflux, known as GERD, also asthma, COPD, allergies, and others. Acute cough is common, so you shouldn't be worried every time you cough. But if your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, check in with your doctor.